I am Cassie, the English teacher. Today, for Beginner English Lesson 19, we'll learn colors. Let's practice a conversation from the last lesson. Where is my computer? It's on the desk in your office. Where is the salt? It's on the table next to the pepper. Okay, here is our idiom of the week. So this week's idiom is green thumb. So thumb is this finger, thumb, green thumb. So green thumb means someone who is good at gardening. Good at gardening. For example, she has a green thumb. Her garden is huge. Okay, so let's review prepositions. Where's my box? Oh, I have a smaller box today. Okay, so pencil, box. We have in, on, next to, next to. The pencil is next to the box. Behind. The pencil is behind the box. In front of. The pencil is in front of the box. And under. The pencil is under the box. Okay, those are the prepositions we learned last lesson. So let's practice those. I'm going to give you a picture, ask a question, you tell me the answer. Where is the table? The table is in front of the sofa. Let me use this again. In front of the sofa. Where is the bookshelf? Where is the bookshelf? The bookshelf is next to the sofa. The bookshelf is next to the sofa. Where is the mirror? Where is the mirror? The mirror is behind the sofa. The mirror is behind the sofa. Okay, and we have another one. Where is the computer? Where is the computer? The computer is on the table. The computer is on the table. Where is the desk? Where is the desk? The desk is behind the chair. Behind the chair. Where is the chair? Where is the chair? The chair is in front of the desk. The chair is in front of the desk. Okay, where is the chair? Where is the chair? The chair is under the table. The chair is under the table. Where is the tea? Where is the tea? The tea is on the table. The tea is on the table. Where is the book? Where is the book? The book is next to the tea. The book is next to the tea. Oh, I think that one's not supposed to be there. Good. Okay, so today we're going to learn colors. So this is the color red. 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 So in English, when we have an adjective like a color, it comes before what it's describing. So we have red flower. This is a red flower. Blue. 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 So in the picture, we have a blue sky. Blue sky. Blue sky. This is green. 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 Green grass. Green grass. Green grass. This color is yellow. 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 In this picture, we have yellow chair. Yellow chair. Okay, these shoes are purple. 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 Remember, in English, when the word ends with LE, it usually makes an O sound. Purple. Okay, LE, purple. Purple. Purple shoes. Purple shoes. Okay, orange. We kind of know this one, orange, from the fruit, orange. Orange, as you know, orange juice. Orange juice. Oops. Black. 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 Black phone. Black phone. Black phone. And white. White. White table. There's that O again. LE, table. Purple table. White table. And brown. 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 So this is brown bread. Brown bread. Okay, we're going to practice those. Okay, what color is this? You can tell me the color and the object. Yellow chair. Yellow chair. Black phone. Black phone. Brown bread. Brown bread. Green grass. Green grass. Green grass. Purple shoes. Purple shoes. White table. White table. Blue sky. Blue sky. Blue sky. Red flower. Red flower. Red flower. Orange juice. Orange juice. Orange juice. Good. Okay, now we're going to get really tricky. Ready? We're going to combine colors and prepositions. So look at this photo and tell me where things are. Okay? And what color they are. Kind of tricky. For example, the yellow phone is on the table. The yellow phone is on the table. What else do you see there? The blue chair is next to the table. The blue chair is next to the table. One more. The brown table is next to the blue chair. The brown table is next to the blue chair. Okay, that was just a little challenge. Time for dictation practice. You know the drill. I'm going to say a word or a sentence. You need to listen, write down what you hear, and then check. Ready? Green. 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 Black. 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 It's on the white table. 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 Where is the blue chair? 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 It's behind the black desk. 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 The blue towel is under the chair. 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 They're not home. They're not home. They're not home. They're not home. She's an engineer. She's an engineer. She's an engineer. She's an engineer. We are in the store. 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 That's our lesson for today. Remember to like, subscribe, ask any questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.